This is Ngobo 2010 Sharp Eye. Orlando Pirates won 5-0. My brother, how do you feel about game tonight?
Performance, five-star performance.
5-star, 5 goals.
5 goals, happy, clean sheet. Couldn't ask for anything better, man. Thanks.
Wonderful. Who was your man of the match tonight?
Okay, today I'll have to give it to Lepasa. 4 goals, 2 games. Clinical. 4. Lepasa, 2 goals, 2 games. 5.
Hat-trick namhlanje.
2. Hat-trick namhlanje.
Scored 3. You scored 3 tonight.
Oh, hat-trick. Class. He's very mentally in the right place. He can give us more. He can give us more, Lepasa. Very happy with Lepasa. He can give us more.
No, that's good, man. Thank you very much. Congratulations.
Isabonga mfethu. Asizoze Orlando Stadium soba support abafana. Abafana bayibambile bafethu lento lena. Culture bafethu ngicela isinikeze second star. So kwazi kuba just one level above, yabo? Yeah. We are top
Compete namanye ama teams Africa.
Yazini, si strong. Yeah. Rivaldo, keep doing a good job. Yeah, he's a top coach.
He's no longer a plumber now.
He's a top coach. He's a top coach. He's strong. He's strong. Lepasa, Saleng, Bafethu Ndlondlo, we are very strong. Let's keep on the hard work. You guys are looking good. You guys are looking very confident. Even when you guys dip in form, we are with you all the time. We are with you all the time. Keep it going. We are here.
We know lose support.
Unfortunately, I'm not wearing my jersey today.
I
know. Bengathukanga.
Ufaka amakhalazwe eSekhukhune.
Ufaka amakhalazwe eSekhukhune.
eSekhukhune bayawina uthi
nasini Pagania. You know what? Let's go and support our boys. I'm happy about that. Thank you, man.